The most persuasive star signs, ranked from top to bottom. Scorpio. Starting strong with Scorpio. Scorpios have this intense energy that draws people in. They're incredibly intuitive and can practically read minds, which gives them a huge edge. They don't even need to say much, their mysterious vibe and confidence do the convincing for them. Libra. Libras are natural diplomats. They have a knack for seeing both sides of any situation, which helps them find common ground easily. They're gentle but effective, persuading others with kindness and a sense of harmony. People just feel at ease with them. Leo. Leos light up any room they walk into. Their confidence and enthusiasm are so infectious, it's hard to resist their influence. When a Leo believes in something, their passion shines through, and people just naturally want to follow their lead. Gemini. Next up, we have Gemini. Geminis are expert communicators and quick thinkers. They're witty, adaptable, and know exactly how to make things sound appealing. With their charm and humor, they can make any idea seem like a great one. Sagittarius. Sagittarius is the ultimate optimist. Their adventurous spirit and passion make people feel inspired just by listening to them. When Sagittarians are excited about something, they bring others along for the ride, and that enthusiasm is hard to ignore. Aries. Bold and energetic, Aries is all about going after what they want. They're direct and confident, which gives them a natural persuasive power. Aries just jump right in and show their passion without hesitation, and that kind of fearless leadership is super convincing. Taurus. Taurus is all about reliability and patience. They're calm, steady, and logical, which makes people trust what they're saying. Instead of flashy persuasion tactics, Taurians stick to persistence and reason, making others feel secure in their arguments. Capricorn. Capricorns are the strategic thinkers of the zodiac. They rely on logic and expertise to make their case, and when they set out to convince someone, they lean on solid facts. People respect Capricorn's credibility, making them quietly persuasive. Virgo. Virgos are detail-oriented and practical. They're the ones who convince others by using facts and logic, which makes them great at handling practical matters. Their calm, thoughtful approach really works when they're trying to make a point. Aquarius. Aquarians have a unique perspective and tend to be full of original ideas. They're not super focused on persuasion, but their creativity draws people in naturally. Aquarians inspire others by thinking outside the box, even if they're not always aiming to be convincing. Cancer. Cancers have a gentle, empathetic approach. They don't usually try to change minds directly but use their emotional connection with people to guide them subtly. They appeal to emotions, family values, and a caring nature, which builds trust in a quiet way. Pisces. Finally, we have Pisces, who are all about compassion. They're not pushy at all, preferring a go-with-the-flow vibe. Pisces persuade by showing understanding and emotional resonance, which makes people feel safe and heard, perfect for subtle, empathetic influence. Thank you for watching.